On Wednesdays, we have this thing called the Old Birds. So they meet over the Armory on Marion Road from 9 till noon. And they fly remote control airplanes and helicopters.
Well, I know you got permission to go in there.
But you guys were flying in Wyckoff and Winona.
Oh, that's right, yeah. And we wanted a closer place.
And they kind of created this airplane called the Bug. And I'll tell you what, it's like a swarm of bugs in the air out there when they do it. Bug, there's a bug. And because they're all going kind of the same direction and kind of flying around.
No, we don't go in the same direction.
No, you go every way?
Everywhere.
So these bugs, they look like a ladybug kind of thing.
This guy, so
and
you're going all over the place.
It gets a little crazy out there. And his is called the Bug Chaser.
Oh, yeah.
Put that on.
First in 91. Then I went out for a while. Then I came back in a year and a half ago. It was amazing the difference. The 2.4 gig stuff had come in. And all these incredibly high capacity batteries that come in. First time I walked in here a year ago, January, and saw this stuff going on. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's a lot of fun. That's great. We have a lot of fun. Ouch! That's gonna leave a mark.
We're still going too, right?
Do you take a little pride in it?
Oh, yeah.
A lot of pride.
It's airplanes.
It's all about the airplanes, yeah.